Hi, I'm back. Got time for one more before we shut down for the day, before we shut down production. What I've got here before me is some iodine crystals. Now, a lot of people naturally assume that iodine is what at room temperature, what phase?
Liquid.
A liquid. And that's because what they're working with or putting on their wound is iodine solution, but pure iodine is actually a solid at room temperature. So that's one of its characteristic properties, chemical or physical? Physical property. It happens to exist as a solid at room temperature. It's also a purple, if you can, I don't know if you can catch that or not. It's kind of purplish. You probably can't, can you? No, it doesn't show up real well. Now, when I heat it up, iodine, like carbon dioxide, it also sublimes not at room temperature though. It doesn't take much though, a little bit of gentle heating and, well, you'll see. Alcohol burners don't get very hot. It doesn't take very much heat for this to happen. And it's considered to undergo sublimation. Actually, if you look really close, it does undergo the liquid phase for a very short time period. But now you see this purple solid changing into a purple gas. Not all gases are colorless. Is this a chemical or a physical change?
Physical.
Very good. A lot of times people just assume a phase change must be a chemical change. Well, it's going from a solid to a gas. But are we seeing any new properties? Are we seeing any color change? It went from a purple solid to a purple gas. No, sirree, Bob. You're not seeing any color change. And if I let it sit long enough, say you come back at the end of the day to say, have a nice weekend, Mr. Chem, and I say, take a look at this bottle, what will you likely notice? What? I thought I heard it.
It's gone back to a solid.
It's going to go back to a solid. So, because it's a gas, but not at room temperature. You got to heat it up to get it to a gas. Once it cools down, it goes back to its solid phase. That means that's evidence of a physical change, not a chemical change. And I think that'll about do it. If we keep the camera on long enough, you'll be able to hear the bell ring. Any questions? No? All right. Bye.